here they are. They're 3 weeks and 2.5 days old. Outside for the first time. Hey, Rosie? Your babies are outside for the first time? They don't know what this is. Let me get a better look here. Can you get out of the way, Rosie? Come on, get out. Come on. Get out. Let me have the puppies. Okay. Getting big, walking around. Are you growling at me? Hey? Oh, there you go. It's Louie.
Oh, you're fine.
Oh, where's my mom? There we go. Murphy. Come on. Murphy. That's it. There you are. And what are you doing? Friday. Cedar. There they are. They're so beautiful and so big.
And so cute.
And so cute.
You don't bite.
Sit here and
You're coming to me. Hi. Hi.
yeah, they know you, Grace. You're always with them. Starting to play. There you go. Goosey Gracie. Mama's having a drink. Yeah, they see Mama, they cry. They want to be fed all the time now. I'm going to try them on some soft, runny food next week. Oh. Come on, get out of the way, the babies. I have to see your babies. They're crying for you, aren't they? So this is our 3-week video. 4 weeks they'll be getting really fluffy. You'll see that by 4 weeks.
They already are practically.
They're getting there.
Well, they have little.
So there you go.
Hi.
And Grace is my little helper. And she loves them. They're so nice. There's Julie. Oh, look at Murphy crawling all over you.
They
And
all
Louie.
crawl all over me. Especially Julie.
Okay, I think that's it. Have a good look at them. And they can get out of here. They can get out of this little ledge. They've been getting out of the whelping box ledge for quite some time. I was so surprised. So young, because they're so big. So they'll be out here for about an hour, first time.
First time.
Yeah.
Seem to like it.
Murphy's crawling all over you.
I know.
Says, love me, love me.
Hi, Cedar.
They love the grass, eh? They notice right away that smelling everything on the grass.
They're all surrounding me.
Okay, Mama. All right, I'm going to let Mama go in and feed them and clean them. That's it, folks. See you next week.